Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn uses of verb. Okay. Is, am, are, was, were. And these verbs are related to present tense and past tense. Okay. So we are going to learn is, am, are, was, were, and these words are called auxiliary verbs or helping verbs. Okay. So listen, we use is, am or are when we speak about present. Okay, speak about the present. So is, am, are, and is with used he, she, it and singular noun. Am with, always used with I. Everybody knows about I or am, relation of I or am. Okay, and are with used you, they and we, and he, she, it, I, you, they, we are called pronouns. Okay, so let's see some examples. He, she and it. He is so funny. She is beautiful. It is hot. So these examples are used is with pronouns he, she and it. Okay. And last में मैंने क्या बताया था आपको, सिंगुलर नाउन. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ यूजिंग प्रोनाउंस वी कैन यूज नाउन. हम प्रोनाउंस जो हमारे ही, शी और इट है ना, हम इसकी जगह पे हम नाउन का यूज करेंगे. सो व सेंटेंसेस, राम इज सो फनी. वी यूज हियर राम. सो प्लेस ऑफ ही, and he is pronoun and we use here Ram. Ram is so funny. Okay, she is beautiful, so Riya is beautiful. Okay, we use here noun. It is hot. The sun is hot. Okay, let's see some more example. Is using you, they and we. You are smart. They are playing. We are sleepy. Here you, they and we. These words are pronouns and still we use here noun. Okay. So the students are smart. We use here the students means replace of you. Okay. They are playing. The children are playing. We use here the children. Place of they. And they is pronoun and the children are nouns. Okay. So we are sleepy. Arav and I are sleepy. So here we use here Arav and I. Place of we. And we is pronoun. So is it clear? So my dear children, here we have replaced the pronouns he, she, it, you, they and we with the nouns. Okay. Next, we use was and were when we speak about the past. Because of was and verb, as you know, was and verb, auxiliary verbs, helping verbs, past tense. Okay, related to past tense. Verb with past tense. Was and were. Was with use one, were with use many. Okay, so was with use of pronouns he, she, it and I, and were with use of pronouns you, they and we. So let's see some example of he, she, it and I. He was playing yesterday. She was drinking milk yesterday. It was very cold yesterday. I was sad yesterday. I was shocked yesterday. Okay, so dear students, here the word yesterday is showing the past tense. Okay, the word yesterday is showing the past tense. And now instead of using pronouns, we can use noun na. So our sentence is Ram was playing yesterday. Okay, here Ram replace the pronoun with noun. Okay, so we use here Ram with place of he, and he is pronoun. She was drinking milk yesterday. Anita was drinking milk yesterday. Okay, it was very cold yesterday. So the weather, it means the weather was very cold yesterday. Okay, next few more examples. You, they and we. Okay, you were fat last summer. They were enjoying yesterday. We were at school yesterday. So instead of using pronouns, we can use noun. Okay, everybody knows now, as I told you now. So sentence is my cousins were fat last summer. So we use here my cousins place of you, and you is pronoun. Okay, they were enjoying yesterday. So sentence is Ram and Anita were enjoying yesterday, and everybody knows were used with plural nouns. Okay, so here we talk about more than one person, so we use here were. Okay, and yesterday showing past tense. Okay, so was and were verb of past tense. We were at school yesterday. Rohan and I were at school yesterday. Okay, my dear students, so is it clear? Instead of using pronouns, we can use noun. So today we have learned about is, am, are, was, were verbs. Okay.